What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a updated what's in my work bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the GM size in Damier Ebene print. So if you would like to see what I keep inside, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, so this is the best angle that I can get. Right here I did want to mention that I do have a Minnie Mouse bag charm. I cannot find it on Amazon anymore, but if you search this, you may be able to find it. But I will look again to maybe link it down below. So for my last what's in my bag for this GM Neverfull, I said I did not like bag organizers, but I will admit I still don't like them. I have one, but I still don't like it. But I did not find anything without this bag organizer. I still don't like it, but whatever. Maybe one day I'll find one that I like, but I got this one off of Amazon. If you are a bag organizer girl, check it out. It will be linked below. But let's just get into it. So first, here is a umbrella. It's been raining like crazy where I live, so I need this. And I have this Starbucks tumbler. It's super pretty. This is like my favorite color, this kind of purple, and I love it. So I take this every day because I'm always drinking water. I have this, which says Drea. This is the badge that I use to get into the building where I work. Back here, this is my scheduled book. So this is everything that I need for work. I do work in the legal field, if you guys are wondering. But yeah, this has all my stuff. I made this little label on a label maker. Then back here, I have the pouch that comes with the Neverfull. In my last video, I asked you ladies what you carry in yours, and everyone had such great suggestions. Currently, I just have some masks, which I got off Amazon, disinfectant wipes, and some like lady products. So here I have my AirPods case. This is for the just regular AirPods. I haven't been able to find this little Celine little AirPods case, but I will link something similar. I have this charger, which is my portable charger. I love this because it comes with the cord for the iPhone, and then you also can plug it into the USBs, and then you can plug it into the wall, so you can like charge literally whatever with this. I have my phone as well. This case is also from Amazon. This pouch, I keep my stamps for work if I have to stamp any documents. So now in the middle of the bag organizer, I have my Toiletry 19, which is very stuffed, but this is honestly my favorite Louis Vuitton SLG. I love this size. There's stuff on it, but I'll clean that later. I love this size. It is perfect for a catch-all in your bigger bags. I have hand sanitizer. I have Carmex. I have tissues. I have some gum. I have this pill case with headache medicine, allergy medication. I have Tums. I have wet ones. These are wipes to wipe off your glasses. I have this Chanel lip balm, the Rouge Cocoa Balm. It's okay. I don't really find it to be super moisturizing, but it is okay. It's clear, but it's okay. It's bougie. Like, you don't need this, but it's bougie. And another thing that you also don't need is this mirror, but it is super bougie. This is the little Chanel Compact. Then I have some L'Occitane hand cream, some pens, and a Tide to Go pen. I have this little purse hook if you ever want to hang your purse off of something. I never really use this. I just have this just in case. I have these little things to clean your AirPods. Then I have some more of those wipes for your glasses. I use them to clean my sunglasses all the time. And then I have these little peppermints, which I should throw out. I have purse candy, but I should throw it out. That's everything that fits inside, but you can fit so much. You can use this for literally anything. I highly recommend this SLG. I have another hand sanitizer. This one is from Dove. I really like this. And now I have this little toothbrush holder from Target, and I put straws in here. I know plastic straws are not good, but I have veneers, so I literally drink everything through a straw just so I don't stain my teeth. And I know it's bad, but I really like plastic straws. So yeah, don't come for me, but I like them and I need them. And now Starbucks has paper straws, so I need them. Then right here in the front, outside of this bag organizer, I have a bunch of receipts from Ulta when I returned. I've been buying a lot of fragrances, so please let me know if you want to see a perfume collection, because I have a lot more. Now I have my wallet. This is the Zippy wallet. I usually do not take this to work. I usually just put like a debit card in my keys, which my keys are not in this bag. They're actually downstairs. But I had my wallet with me because I was making those Ulta returns, so I needed my cards and everything. In this side pocket, I have this Hello Kitty Tangle Teaser. I love Hello Kitty. She's super cute. And then I have a hair tie. And I think that's it. Nothing fell in between, but this is the bag organizer. I will link it below if you're interested. I just don't like them, but if you're interested, it will be down below. But that is everything that is in my bag. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.